can really taste the maple now.
Cast Iron Katie is cooking today. Cast Iron Katie is on her way.
Hi there, I'm Cast Iron Katie, and in this video I have a treat for you. We are making maple syrup. I'm going to let my dad, Joe, take over, and he will show us from start to finish how to make it. So show us what you do to
Are you ready? Well,
yeah.
we take a nice drill bit that fits the pipe. The drill bit that fits the pipe. Whatever pipe you have, or they make regular taps for this. But there you go. Drill a hole. There you go. Take that, and you just take a piece of pipe that fits that hole. Tap it in there a little bit like that. Screw a fitting on it or whatever you can to make it fit.
So it just needs a hole.
Do what? All you need is a hole in the tree.
Oh.
That's all.
And the tree does the rest, huh?
And the tree does the rest of the work. And you put that on there, put it down there, and there you go.
So.
And on a good day, you'll get about 2 of those gallon jugs of sap out of that tree.
Oh my gosh, in a day?
As much as 3 on a good tap, but we don't have good trees here.
Okay.
But I have gotten 2 gallons out of that tree.
Wow, in one day.
In one day.
And this
The
is a
big tree in the back, I got almost 3 out of it in one day.
So this is a yellow maple, you said?
This is a sugar maple.
Oh, that's a sugar maple.
That's a yellow maple.
Oh, okay.
This is sugar maple.
What, the one that you got 3 gallons out of?
It was a yellow maple.
A yellow maple.
But
so,
it's ginormous.
Oh, it's just a lot bigger.
Yeah,
And so, do you know what time of year is?
Yeah.
I mean, obviously, whenever it's going dormant, but.
In the when it's coming spring, when your temperatures drop below freezing at night
Okay.
and above 40 in the day is ideal. You want it to be frozen at night and then warm up to about 40, 45 in the daytime.
Oh.
And that the heave of the cold, and I don't know why it does it. That's when the best flow is.
Okay. Cool.
But that's the way it works. And you collect this and pour it in till you get enough to boil.
Wow.
And if it's really flowing, you got to boil every day.
Okay.
Yeah, I got started pretty late, and I got right in on the tail end of it, of the gathering. Yep. But anyway, that's all there is to it.
And like, how deep do you need to have that drill go in?
About 1.5 inches.
What? That's it?
Yeah. Well, just the ambient layer of the bark is all. That's where the sap is. It's not in the heart.
Oh. You do the maple syrup out here,
Yeah.
not on the stove. Okay.
Oh no, it takes much too big a fire to.
Oh, okay, because
Yeah.
it's just such a large amount of the.
It takes a very
Sap.
hot fire to boil away 5 gallons of water. Yeah.
I imagine. Oh, your house would be so humid.
Huh?
Your house would be so humid.
Oh yeah, got this set up to where we can be under the roof and still outside. When Jamie was here, it was dark and rainy and nasty, and we done it in here, and you couldn't hardly stay in the barn because of the smoke.
Oh, okay, that makes sense. Is this like some sort of cattle?
It's a goat
Thing.
hay feeder.
Okay, I was imagining livestock putting their heads through it and eating something out of it.
It's a goat hay feeder.
Okay. No, I like that using stuff
Now a
around
barrel
here.
stand.
What's that get?
No, but it's perfect for it. Is that all sap?
Yeah. And when we get done, we'll have a quart
1 quart from these 2 giant things.
and the other gallon.
Oh, goodness. Okay, so what's the deal with the pans here?
Well, we had 2 pans. You have what you call a hot pan and then a warming pan.
Okay.
The hot pan goes to the back of the fire because that's where the most heat is, and it will boil much hotter. And if you've ever boiled water, if you pour cold water into it, it stops boiling immediately.
Oh.
So you have a warming pan in front, and as this boils down, because it boils much rapidly, you dip out of the warming pan and just put dippers full in at a time, and that way it doesn't stop the boil.
That makes sense.
Keeps your evaporation process working faster that way.
Oh, okay.
So, are we ready to put this on?
Yeah, is your fire ready?
I'm ready.
Okay,
I'm
cool.
ready to get this hot.
All right, all right.
All right.
Wow.
Joe's gonna put that one on.
Okay, and that goes at the back?
Goes right across the back.
Don't set yourself on fire.
Lined up there.
I like both of you guys.
Just fine, just fine, that's fine, that's fine. And then we'll get the other one, put it in the back. Good to go. All we need now is more fire.
Alrighty.
And so you just keep stoking it?
You just keep stoking fire until this all boils away.
Wow, okay.
That's it. This is called an evaporator setup.
So you think this is going to be a one-off year for you, or you just tried it out, or you think you'll do it again next year, did you?
Depends on how much meat I cure, I guess.
Oh, yeah.
I really like the maple syrup on the cured meat. But, yeah, it's just a long process of waiting now.
Okay.
And keep putting wood in. That's the ass kick, is keep putting wood in. In case you haven't noticed, we have
Yes.
boiling sap.
Yes.
This is full-blown boil. So you see how much harder this one up here is boiling than this one?
Uh-huh. When it gets down to about how much do we take it off?
About a half gallon.
Oh, okay.
Why did you make it so hot, baby?
Well, that's what I heard we were supposed to do. Well, this is your operation, so that would be you.
We'll try to sit around and eat.
So it reached
Good now.
219.
219.
219 is where we shut it off.
Okay.
You can really
Okay.
taste the maple now.
That is very good, but very, very sweet.
I didn't know that. How would you like to have a shot glass full of that?
No!
Wouldn't that be? That's
Now that our syrup is done, what better to go with syrup than my cheddar bacon waffles? We're gonna make it with Joe's homemade buckboard bacon. It's gonna be fantastic. Let's get started. Here is Joe's buckboard bacon. It has been fried. It is so meaty and hammy. It's delicious. Okay, so this is my first one, and I always say the first one doesn't count. Oh, I'm so counting this one. Look at that. Look at that. Ta-da! I made an excellent first waffle. Boom. What? Did you see that?
Yeah.
It turned out so nice. All right, now to make a cajillion more. Woo! It's the last one. What a big stack. There's our homemade maple syrup. Little pastrami and Swiss.
You could make a sandwich out of that.
Well, yeah. What were you thinking I was gonna do with it? Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.
Dad, you need to make more pastrami.
Get on it.
You're looking at me like I'm stupid.
But pretend it's the first time.
Okay, so what's the deal with the pans here?
Well, we had 2 pans. How'd you do that, Kate?
Well,
Come
you
on.
know.
That wasn't very cool.
I don't know. It made me laugh.
All right,
made me
I
giggle.
don't have enough
Edit
hands.
that out.
Okay.
Don't worry about it.
That's the song he's been singing all week. Wow, that smells good.
Does it smell like hot tree sap?
It does.